Hello, this is a short demo video to get you started with a new Skype for Business audio and video conferencing feature. With the launch of the Skype conference bridge at Hennepin County, users will be able to set up conference calls in meeting invites with only one click. You will no longer need to look for available numbers like Meet Me to host a call. You can start conference bridge calls with any phone and from anywhere. Up to 200 devices can connect to a conference call. This feature will allow county users to set up conference calls with external partners and vendors as well. In addition to the audio portion, county users will be able to share their computer screens with conference participants. This video will demonstrate three main steps to get you started. First, we will look at how to create a Skype meeting with Conference Bridge. Next, we will show you how to set up your personal PIN in order to start a conference call as the meeting organizer. And the PIN setup is only a one-time process. And finally, you will view how to initiate a Skype meeting with Conference Bridge. So let's get started. To create a Skype meeting with Conference Bridge, let's go to the calendar of our Outlook application. Here you can see that this is my calendar, and I'm going to select that 1 hour on September 6th. And first thing you need to do is, after you selected your time, to click on this new Skype meeting icon. This new Skype meeting will be populated with automatically with the phone number and a conference ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite one of my colleagues, Richard Moen, and I'm going to title this a very important Skype test. And there you go. I've invited a meeting attendee, and I have the subject, and I have a Skype meeting with the conference bridge information included. So there you go. The first step is done. You have created a Skype meeting with Conference Bridge. Now, in order to start a conference call from a phone device, you will need a personal PIN. You will only need to set up the personal PIN once, and the personal PIN can be used for all future conference calls that you organize. So let's see how to do that. When you have created an invite, you can go back to the Skype meeting, the invite, and click on the Forgot Your Dial-In PIN. This will bring up a web page that is connected to the Skype for Business server and with a sign-in. You would use your county network ID to sign in. Well, since I'm on the county network, by clicking sign in, it already recognized that I am on the network and on the server. So here you can either set up a new PIN or reset your PIN by clicking on this link. This is where you would set up a new PIN. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up between 5 and 24 digits for this PIN. I would suggest that if you know your desk phone PIN for your voicemail, that this may be the same one. Click OK. All right, and so it would say that my PIN has successfully changed. Okay, that's all I need to do to create a PIN. All right, now that we've got our PIN set up, let's proceed to start a Skype meeting. Go back to the calendar, and here, if you're going to have an online portion of your meeting, click on Join Skype Meeting. This will launch the online portion. If you do not need the online portion, and you only need just the conference bridge or conference call. Start dialing the number and followed by the conference ID and PIN as you were prompted. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to start the meeting with both portions, the online portion and also the conference call. So to start the online component or portion of this meeting, I just click on Join Skype Meeting. And you will be presented with this pop-up window, Join Meeting Audio. If you are planning to use both a phone and the laptop or your computer, we suggest that you don't join the audio, because by using the full Skype audio and video experience, the microphone on your computer will clash with the phone on your desk. So and that will cause feedback or echoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to join the audio. Click OK, and there you go. I have started the very important Skype test meeting. Okay, now I'm going to proceed to call the phone number using my desk phone. I'm going to get a line, dial my number 612-543-9329.
Welcome to the audio conferencing center. Please enter a conference ID followed by pound.
That will be 343783 pound.
If you're the leader, please press star now.
Star.
If you scheduled this meeting, please enter your PIN now.
Followed by my PIN.
You are now joining the meeting as a leader.
All right, I have joined the meeting, both the online and the conference bridge. As a further demo, I'm going to call using my cell phone to simulate a meeting attendee. Here we go. I'm going to dial 612-543-9329.
Welcome to the audio conferencing center. Please enter a conference ID followed by pound.
So this is my cell phone. I'm going to dial 343783.
If you're the leader, please press star now.
Since this is, I'm going to use my...
After the tone, please record your name and then press pound.
Yeah, since this is an attendee, I don't need to enter a PIN.
You're now joining the meeting.
Now I have another meeting attendee that have joined the meeting. So you can have a mixture of attendees attending using phones or their laptops or computers. They will all be joining the same audio conference. Now I'm going to proceed to show to present my desktop to the meeting attendees. So here we go, presenting my desktop. Select the monitor I'm going to be presenting, and there you go. It will show that I am currently presenting here on the top, and this is a screen I'm presenting. And there you go. It's as easy as this to set up a Skype conference bridge meeting, set up your PIN, and to start the meeting. When you're done with the meeting, click on this triple dot to end the meeting. With this, it ends the demonstration uh, of this new feature for Skype for Business, audio and video conferencing. Should you need any assistance, please feel free to call our service desk at 348-6662. Thank you for watching this video.